Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pickled cucumbers at home. First, gather your fresh, firm pickling cucumbers, ideally 4 to 5 inches long. Next, prepare your brine. Combine 4 cups of water, 4 cups of white vinegar, 1/4 cup of pickling salt, and 2 tablespoons of sugar in a pot. Bring this mixture to a boil, ensuring the salt and sugar fully dissolve. This simple brine is the foundation of your perfect pickles. Now, let's infuse some amazing flavor into your pickles. For each quart-sized jar, add a few sprigs of fresh dill, 2 peeled garlic cloves, and 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. If you like a little kick, a pinch of red pepper flakes works wonders. Carefully pack your prepared cucumbers into the clean, sterilized jars. Stand them upright and pack them as tightly as possible without bruising them, leaving about 1/2 inch of headspace at the top. With your cucumbers and spices in the jars, it's time for the hot brine. Carefully pour the boiling brine over the cucumbers, ensuring they are fully submerged. Leave about 1/2 inch of headspace. Use a clean, non-metallic utensil, like a chopstick, to gently remove any trapped air bubbles. Wipe the rims of your jars thoroughly to ensure a good seal. Finally, place the lids and screw bands on, tightening them only to finger tightness. To ensure safe preservation, process your jars in a boiling water bath. For quart-sized jars, process for 15 minutes. After processing, carefully remove the jars and let them cool completely, undisturbed on a clean towel for 24 hours. You'll hear the satisfying pop as they seal. Once cooled, check for proper seal. The lid should be concave and not flex. Store your perfectly pickled cucumbers in a cool, dark place for up to 1 year. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.